Upon closer inspection, I found that the second cable has a split in it. Now the actual wires aren't damaged, but I need to insulate the cable. I'm just gonna cut this, expose some fresh cable, solder it, and then cover it in heat shrink. Going to do the soldering with this Ferrex gas soldering iron. You can get it from, well, I got it from Aldi. They get them in occasionally, maybe once or twice a year. This one is model WWSIT19. Possibly this is the buy code that you get at the checkout, 703577. Well worth it. I'm just going to do this last bit with this just to show how effective it is. So push down on this, and you can put the continuous on it. Gets hot pretty much straight away. Very quick. It's quicker than an electric one, and they also give you this solder as well. Done. Do that switch, it turns it off, and comes with its own little stand so you don't burn anything. Right, let's get some heat shrink on this. That's that done. I'm going to try and rebraid it a bit. I'm not going to be able to rebraid it as good as it used to be. You just got to hold it here, because as you braid one side, it unbraids the other. Okay, and I'm just going to put a bit of tape on it. In hindsight, I think I should have cut the damaged cable first, slid heat shrink over the braided part of the cables, and then once I'd done this I could have heat shrunk the whole thing in place, but that's hindsight. We'll just remember that for future reference. I'm wondering if you can actually get tape the same colour as the cable, but at least it's safe, it's not going to pull out, it's soldered, it's triple insulated, or quad insulated if you count the second time I taped it over, but that'll do for that one.